Welcome back, guys. How y'all guys doing? This is BabaSwagger. You already know what it is. Welcome back to another vlog. You hear me? Welcome back to another bang.
Guys, I just now realized that my windshields are messed up. I'm like, oh my god, and it's raining. And I'm like, hold on, let me see. I can't even drive with this. Like, I can't drive like this. Like, the rubber is coming off. I'm like, hold on, let me go to Family Dollar real quick and change these because I can't drive like this. Boom. You know what I mean? I come to Family Dollar. Boom. I'm like, I was gonna come here anyway, so I might as well get some windshield wipers too. Boom. And I'm like, hold on, I need a basket. Let me go get a basket. Almost forgot about the basket because I'm gonna be getting a lot of things from here. Not too much, but just a little bit. And then as I was going, I realized that this basket only has one handle. I'm like, wait, what? Let me go back. One handle? How am I supposed to hold this basket and the camera at the same time? You hear me? I'm like, boom, let me go get another basket. Go get another basket, bada bing, bada boom, bada bum. Got me a basket with two handles this time, So I'm like, okay, where the windshield wipers at? Where y'all at? Boom, there y'all are. Let me get you right here. You hear me? Two of you, actually. I need two of you. You hear me? And I came for the windshield wipers windshield water and the coolant anyways. You hear me? So I'm like, let me check this out. Nah, that's too regular. Let me get this. They're running out of it stuff. That must mean that thing must be good, And the coolant. Give me that. Give me all of that. Boom. Now we going to Burlington. You hear me? I gotta go to Burlington to go get me a garbage can and a bathtub mat so I don't slip and fall. You hear me? So on the way to Burlington, like bada bing, bada boom. Burlington, I'm like, I seen this stainless steel garbage can. You hear me? This stainless steel. I'm like, I gotta have this. It looks better than all of those right there. You hear me? I'm sorry, guys, but y'all don't look as attractive as this one right here. Oh, I'm like, I'm taking that. Boom. And then I gotta go get my, bathroom mat. You hear me? I'm like, let me get me a bathroom mat too so I don't slip and fall. Boom. Grab that. Go to the cash out. Cash it out. Well, it's raining really bad out, so I had to put my hoodie up. Looks like I got everything. Got everything I need so far. So I'm about to go head back home real quick. Mask off. Mask off. But yeah, so that's that. I guess I'm good, eh? I don't think I'll be able to change the windshield because it's raining and stuff. So yeah, I don't have. See, that's the bad thing about not having a garage. Like, can't do shit on a weather like this. Like right now. Should I change it in the rain? I mean, it shouldn't take that long. I'm gonna try to change it in the rain. Hopefully it don't take that long. We'll see. Hold on real quick. Wait a minute. Let me try it out. 2 hours later, here I am. Stop raining. I'm like, let me first pour a little bit of cooling antifreeze water into the car real quick. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bum. Fill that baby up so that my engine don't get overheated or something like that, or whatever it's good for. I don't know. I don't care. But you know what I mean. You hear me? Boom. After I was done with that, I'm like, let me put some windshield wiper water in there, my oil. Since I'm done with my, I checked my oil. I'm like, whoa, my oil is low and dark. Looks like I need an oil change, but I can't make it today because the day's almost over, So I can't make it today. I'm gonna have to come back for it tomorrow. Now, oh my God, guys, look how bad my windshield wipers were. Like, literally, the little rubber things are hanging. That's how bad it was. Oh my God. Whoa, I am wet. I am wet. Oh my God, I am so wet. I can see clearly now that the rain has gone. Dun 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 dun. I can see all the obstacles in my way. Bum 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 bum. I'm good now. They're good. You hear me? And now I can enjoy the weather. You hear me? I mean, it's gonna start raining right after I change my windshield wipers. Like, come on now, God is testing me. I see. Aren't you up there? Aren't you? But look at this beautiful Lake Canal. And if you look over there, the far end, that little mountain-looking things, that's Canada. That is Canada. And this right here, this is the United States.